In this video, we will discuss Nanoleaf rope light. If you have been searching for a way to transform your backyard or patio into a stunning visual landscape, then you are in the right place today. We start by unboxing this impressive flexible strip which feels remarkably durable and premium right out of the packaging. The first thing you will notice is the smooth diffused glow that mimics classic neon signs without any visible hotspots or individual LED beads. Setting it up is a breeze thanks to the Matter compatibility, which means it works seamlessly with Apple Home, Google Home, and Alexa right away. You just simply scan the code and watch it sync to your network in seconds. The mounting clips included in the box are sturdy and allow you to create custom shapes or sharp straight lines along your deck or walkway easily. Once installed, the magic truly begins within the Nanoleaf app, where you can choose from millions of colors or select dynamic scenes that move like flowing water. Since it is rated for outdoor use, you do not have to worry about rain or snow damaging your new investment. It is a fantastic upgrade for any modern smart home setup.